I-75 south on the North Loop, North Marietta Parkway. We're going back across a different way today. I probably have this video, but if I do, it is several years old. So this would be an update. Not sure if we're going down Johnson Ferry or going all the way to Roswell Road. Not sure exactly which way we're going to cut across, but our plan right now is to go onto Roswell Road, turn right, go down across the river, and go at least to 285, maybe on into Atlanta. I just do not know. We'll just take it as it comes. We're going to stop up here somewhere and upload this first little 5-minute video telling what we're going to do. We recorded it with the S20. Get over. I guess we've got to get off. Yeah, we've got to get off. We need to get over. Half a mile. Come on over. Like I said, this is a south, or this is a north loop. If you kept going, we'd hit to go around the south loop once where we're going to get off. Come all the way back around through Atlanta and all the way around. We first started working up here, like, I guess y'all get tired, I get tired of saying it, y'all get tired of hearing it. We started working up here, there wasn't anything up here to eat. None of this stuff was up here. There was a Kroger up here on the right. But it didn't, you know, the deli, I don't even know if it had a deli, but there just wasn't anything to eat. You had to bring your own or snack. We haven't been using this GoPro Black 10 and doing the editing, uploading from the computer very much. We've been uploading a whole lot of stuff from the phones, and this mirror mount for the phones is just not a very stable platform to use the phone as a camera. It's a good phone platform, but not a good camera platform. We've had a lot of vibration. I think we're going to, as aggravating as it is, I think we'll go back using more of the computer edited. The GoPros and the Osmos are much more stable than these phones on these when we're recording off the windshield. Well, yeah, we're going to be cutting these things on and off, so we won't be sitting here at these lights. It's a lot easier to put this stuff together in the phone and upload it than it is to download, put it in the software, into Adobe software, and then put it together, render it, save it, and then upload it. It's just a longer, more intensive process, but it does generate smoother video. And we're heading east on Georgia 120. Yeah, Marietta's behind us, Roswell's in front of us. Like I said, we're going to be cutting this thing on and off, so y'all won't have to sit here and watch through this traffic. There'll be a whole lot of on and offs. parts store, not knowing whether the battery was going to have enough power to keep the engine running or not without the alternator. And something I didn't think about, this van has daylight running lights on the front. These headlights burn. If the emergency brake is off, the headlights burn. Not full strength even for low, but they still burn. And so that was draining the battery. The engine was draining the battery. I turned everything else off, and we made it to the parts store, got the alternator, swapped it. I got them to check it, swapped it out. It took about, I think about a little over 2 hours. 140 amp alternator, $169 plus tax. We worked off all these subdivisions, or not all of them, but a whole lot of these subdivisions, a lot of these roads years ago. That one on the right. I'm not going to point them all out. They're all over the place. I need to clean this windshield. I thought I had it clean from this morning, but notifications. Well, that's a notification about a van in Savannah. It says it's a good running van. 2002, that'd be a great parts van, but I tried to buy one last week in Lilburn. He didn't take my offer. We may swing by there, see if it's still there. We may make him another offer. The thing is, it's been sitting a while. He says it runs good, but who knows? Been sitting a while. I'd want to drain the gas tank, put some fresh gas in it before I cranked it. Before I even turn the switch, turn the key, a fuel pump be pumping up that bad gas into the injectors. Well, we cut through Robinson Road, I can't tell you how many times. Could go down and go Wyuka or Little Wyuka, but we're not going to do that. Go down and pick up Azalea and come out at the river along the park. None of this stuff was up here. check engine lights on. We need to get our scan tool out from back and cut it off. We looked for it yesterday, but it wasn't where we thought it was at. I know it's back there, but not sure where. Oh, let's cut this off. Used to be a Dairy Queen. Seemed like there was a Dairy Queen here, and that was it. And that wasn't here when we first started coming up here. None of this stuff was. It's been a while since I've been across through here. Subbed from a different subcontractor. Got into a little dispute with John Whelan's son about payment. Turn this video off, change the battery, and start another one when we get to Roswell. I think the battery will last until then. People ask me, how do I know this area? How do I know Atlanta so well? Well, I said, Daddy was a Cobb County fireman. We've been doing subcontract work all over Atlanta since I was 2 years old. Used to ride territory with Daddy, and when he was at the Cobb County, he'd draw his own little maps, the street numbers and everything, where he would know where stuff was. So I'd go with him and spot fire hydrants for him. Like I say, started doing subcontract work when I was 2, so we've been all over the metro area, mostly the northeast quadrant, but still we've been all over. I sure wish I had video of Ackworth too, but Alpharetta and Roswell back in early 70s, late 60s, early 70s, before all this stuff. That'd be some good video. We get up here at Roswell Road, we're going to turn right. To actually go to Roswell, you turn left. 120, you'd go up and take a right on 120, but we're turning right on Roswell Road. And we will stop, upload that other video, and change the battery and get started on a new video with the GoPro Black 10. blue light special up there. I don't know if it's letting a church out or whether it is blue light special. It is a blue light special. Could turn here and go down to Azalea. So we're going up to Roswell Road. We have to turn right here. Turn left goes up to, I can't remember what road it is. But we worked off it too. This may be a breakdown. Yeah, that's a smacky packy. Two people trying to combine one car, or two people trying to combine two cars into one. That just doesn't work except at the factory. Sometimes it works in a custom body shop, I guess. Let's drop over in this right-hand lane. A lot of history in Roswell. A lot of Civil War history. We need to get video of what is it, that creek over there, all those ruins. Where the Yankee scoundrels came through and burned everything. Scallywags, scoundrels. Okay, let's turn this one off. We're going to pull over up here somewhere and get started on another one.